Right guys, welcome back to another student coin video. I've been away for a few days, apologize for that. Just been quite busy. That's the reason why I haven't uploaded in the last couple of days. Again, thank you so much for all your wonderful support. The channel is growing very nicely, and so is student coin actually. I'm going to bring you guys some of the latest news on Student Coin. So just to start off, I'm on Student Coin again. There's some newer news, some newer, some a little bit older that I wasn't able to bring you guys a little bit sooner, but still very important news. So I'm going to go onto the Launchpad ICO, and I'm going to just first off look at where Student Coin is sitting. So the final phase of Student Coin is $9.55 million. Currently 6.87 million has been raised, 6.8 million roughly, $7,021. So there's not a lot left. There's about $2.75 million, $2.68 million left. So for those of you that haven't purchased Student Coin, now is your final chance on the ICO. There's a link in the description on how to purchase and a link to my original video. So it's ticking along nicely. We're now on the 21st of April. This figure between yesterday and today has gone up about 3 to 4 million, I believe. I haven't really been watching it super closely, but I think by the end of today, possibly this could be done. And then you would have to wait until it lists on the exchange for you to be able to purchase. Now, the point of today's video, I'm going to go into the app. And if you look over here on the voting tab, there's 2 votes currently. So the first one's a little bit older news. The first one is a vote basically, and you vote with your student coin. So you can just click vote, and it will transact student coin from your balance. And you can vote between listing or starting trading of STC to USDT. So I've done a trading video previously on trading on Binance. I'm sure this is similar on Bitcoin.com. And how to trade USDT. So there is a link in the description for those of you that want to look at doing that. USDT is the most stable to trade back and forth. You can also trade Bitcoin and Ethereum with Student Coin, but this is the most stable. And they want to know whether people want to have the trading available on Bitcoin.com exchange before hitting hit BTC. So currently there are 425,712,627 to be exact votes for Bitcoin.com, which is great, and about 124.5 million for hit BTC. So obviously now this should affect the price because there is movement of STC, and we'll have a look at the price a little bit later. But the price has been going up. Now, again, the more STC you hold, at the bottom you'll see your available balance here. The more STC you hold, the more you can affect the vote. Now, obviously, for example, if you hold 100,000 BTC, STC, excuse me, you wish you'd hold 100,000 BTC, you can effectively do 100,000 votes. Now, will 100,000 votes make a big difference in this particular poll? No. And do you want to get rid of 100,000 coins? No. But it's great that, in essence, people that have more of a share or more of a stake in STC can affect the vote more. From a decentralized point of view, I guess maybe not, but you can affect votes on Student Coin. And this is one of the things that was making Student Coin so appealing. Everything goes to a vote. Again, majority rule is not always better, and I do like a peer-reviewed system more than voting, but it is great that you can actually vote on things. So this is the first vote that you can do. It's a major exchange listing, number 1. Then there's a major exchange listing, number 2. This one's similar in terms of the percentage of vote, and we're going to go check the proposed details quite shortly, but do you want to create leveraged futures for STC token on ACDX exchange? So it's just a simple yes or no. This one's got 2 days left. The other one's got 7.5 hours left. And this is to do with futures and leverage trading. Leverage trading. I know how to do leverage trading, but I'm not too well, comfortable giving advice in leverage trading. That's something I might do in the future, but the upside is great. I mean, you can do leverage trading of like 100x, so your profits are up 100x, but then on the downside, your losses are 100x as well. So it is very risky, and it's not something I do. I mean, and it's not something I really feel comfortable giving details on now to all of you. So because, as I say in all my videos, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not professional advice, just my opinion for educational purposes. And please always do your own research. This is to maybe help you get some information and make your own informed decision. So if you look at the proposed details, we head over to trade.acdx.io, and this is it. Okay. Basically, it's similar to Binance that we did. So you can do trading and leverage trading if you'd like. You can select different countries. I'm not too familiar with ACDX interface, but it doesn't look too much different to all the other trading platforms. So this is BTC perp, so you can put in your trades. But yeah, I'm not going to go into too much detail on that. So basically, the purpose of today's video is for you guys that want to go and vote. I personally do also prefer Bitcoin.com exchange to hit BTC. And I think it's listed top 30 on CoinMarketCap of the exchanges. But yeah, we can have a look at that at a later stage possibly. Now, if we look at the price, I just want to pull up the price quickly because there has been quite a bit of movement on the student coin price sort of in the last day or so. It actually went up to a high. Student coin had the high at 5.5 cents. So the high on CoinMarketCap is 4.9 cents. And a lot of this, in my opinion, is to do with the phases or the final phase. People rushing to get it. Also, it's probably being traded quite a bit, so you can see there's quite a bit of volume. It's up in trading volume on the various exchanges as well. And then also the news that people can actually trade and take out BTC. I keep saying BTC. I'm sorry. Take STC once it lists. So I'm just pulling up this link for you guys quickly. Excuse me. I just want to get it on the side here. So here it is. There was a major exchange listing on the 19th of April, 2 days ago. And let me pull that up for you guys over here. Basically, so BitHump Global. So those of you on the Telegram group, you would have seen this information on the Telegram group, or that follow the Facebook group. You would have seen this information. Basically, the first major STC exchange listing on BitHump Global. BitHump Global is worldwide trading platform for digital assets. It's a global product initiated by BitHump Korea. So this is part of the first Asian. They said on the Asian markets once would be the first listings. They did say 9th of May, so this has gone up a little bit ahead. BitHump, which is one of the largest Asian cryptocurrency exchanges. BitHump is ranked top 20 exchanges on CoinGecko and top 30 in CoinMarketCap. STC token deposits will be available on the 21st of April at 11, so plus UTC plus 8, and trading available. So this is why I think also a lot of people have started to rush to get some more student coin. And 22nd of April, you should be able to trade it. So check out the details on the official BitHump Global website. So those of you that aren't in the Telegram group, again, go on it. I'm not a big fan of Telegram. It's really hard to keep track of all the messages and things, but they do pin messages on the top of the group. And this was one of the pinned messages. And official admin is also one of the pinned messages. So go look at who the official admin is. Just a word of warning on Telegram. There's a lot of scammers out there on the Telegram group. Go look at who the official admin is. Their names will be on the pinned message. Make sure you check the characters because I'll tell you why. So I had some questions with regards to my referrals, and I'll make a video about this a little bit later about not getting coins on, but the number of referrals go up, but the number of coins don't go up. And I'm sure some of you have had the same issue. And I was asking, a lot of questions, not giving a lot of information away, just, the basics. And there was an admin replying, and it was an official admin replying. And then all of a sudden, I got a private message from this admin. and with a link. And it was through a Google Drive, so I thought it was a little bit weird. But anyway, I clicked the Google Drive link, which you should always be careful with links clicking them. But I clicked it just to see what it was, and everything looked legit on the person's name. Everything looked legit on the logo because they all had the Student Coin logo on. And basically, uh, I looked and it started asking what the problem was. So I filled in the problem, then it asked for the email. So I thought, okay, this is a bit weird. Let me just, but sometimes they do have the email associated. But I thought, okay, let me look a little bit further. Then it asked for the password and it asked for the address. And I knew then it was a scam. And then I went back and looked at the name and there was one character different. So just be very careful, guys. Scammers will always ask for your passwords. Scammers will always ask for your details. No official anything is going to ask you ever for your password, whether it be a bank, an exchange, um, even Facebook. No one's going to ask for your password. So just be really, really careful, guys. A lot of people have been scammed through the Telegram group. It's at no fault of the Student Coin team. It wasn't an official admin that sent that to me. They keep warning, they keep sending names of fake admins. So just be really, really careful. Um, but yeah, I'll make a full sort of video on referrals because that's something I'm quite disappointed with Student Coin on is some of the referrals don't go through. The support is also really not great, and I'll go into a little bit more detail. So let me know if you guys want me to make a video on that. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on, again, on this listing, on the voting. Will you be voting? Will you just be keeping your Student Coin rather? I know you only give away one Student Coin, but who knows what one Student Coin could be worth in the future, hoping $1 plus. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else, and stay tuned for more news. Till next time. Cheers, guys.